The Backyard Woodshop.
Hi guys, Tom Ryder with the Backyard Woodshop. Today I wanted to show you guys my rigid stackable toolboxes. This is just my quick review of them. I've had these for almost a year now. They are some really nice toolboxes. The main two features that I think are the best are they're dustproof and they're waterproof. And that is so nice for my tools. I don't have to worry about them getting wet and then when I close the toolbox them rust. They just hold up really well. They lock together. The bottom toolbox has a built-in cart. So you've got your wheels, so when everything's locked together you can head to the job site. It fits through a standard door, no problem. When you get there you just drop your handle down. It's just like a luggage handle and you're ready to go. The really other nice thing is these stackable boxes let you, let's say I didn't want to take all three of these. I could just grab one off, grab the handle off the front, and I'm headed to the job site with just what I need, and I don't have to carry all this other bulk with me. So let's get into the box itself. So let's open one of these up. You've got some really nice cam latches that just, positively lock. You can hear that. And they each have a hole right here in front for a padlock if you want to secure them that way. So you could have a padlock on each one if you were carrying tools that you didn't want anybody to have access to. So the main feature that causes this dustproof and waterproof seal is this orange gasket around here, which interlocks into a plastic rim. And I tell you, I have not had any problems at all with this. It works fantastic. I carry a lot of my quick grab items in the smaller box, tape measures, different stud finders, things like that, level, just different little items. It also comes with screw bins, and I carry whatever screw I might think I need. Got some pads in there for quotes and notes. The next box down, as you can see, these latches that are here on the tops, that's what locks the next one down. So we just reach down, unlock those, separate our box, and now we're down to our big box. So what I carry the most is, like, I keep a circular saw, sawzall, hammer drill. The hammer drill also is a regular drill. It's all corded tools. Carry extension cord, things like that. So, but I also, if I need to, I know I can throw my cordless tools in there. There's still plenty of room in these to carry things. I carry extra clamps in here, just different things like that. This one I like because the lid will just completely separate and gives you full access to this big old cavernous holder down here, and so I can get whatever I need in and out of there, throw the lid back on. The other cool thing is the bottom one has a security bar that will go down through all of these. They all have a slot right here, so you could have one padlock and lock all these together if you were worried about somebody running off with your stuff. So it's a really great system. I think Ridgid really outdid themselves. I'm very happy with it. I have no negatives for this. I've used it for a while and I just think it's a great system. You can stack the configuration in different ways. Obviously this one is always going to be the bottom, but there's other sizes you can do. You can add more than the three that I have here, but Home Depot always runs specials on these stacked in three like this. So you can just stack them like this and go that way as well. So go out to Home Depot, check these out. They're not sponsoring me in any way. I just wanted to share this with you guys. When I'm not on the mobile location, I'm just using these in my shop to store my tools and get access to them in here. It just provides another small storage space for them. So appreciate you watching. If you got something out of this video, please hit that like button. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you a subscriber. And until the next time, I see you in the backyard.